everyone, welcome back to our CSS series. In this video we are learning how to link our CSS to our HTML page. There are 3 different ways to do this and I'll show you all of them. Let's get started. The first way is external CSS file. This is the most common and recommended method. We have to create a separate CSS file and link it to our HTML page. So I've already created an empty index.html file. I'm just going to add some code there, and then let's name this linking our CSS to our HTML, and then inside the body we're gonna have h1 CSS also. Okay, save. Okay, so how do we link our CSS? We have to create a style.css file, and then we have to link it inside the head tag. You can link it before or after our title, don't think it matters. And then here we're gonna say style.css, save, and then now we have linked our CSS. Everything that we're gonna write here is going to apply to our HTML page. So this method is clean, reusable, and it's easy to manage. But let's see if it's working. Let's just add background color, then go live. Oh, this is style, not styles, so we just need to change this. Make sure that you write the correct name of your style CSS so that it can be able to show. So yeah, it shows now. We have a background and link. My linking is so wrong. It has 2 and okay, now it should be correct. Linking CSS. Okay, the second way is internal CSS. Sometimes you might want to keep CSS inside the same file, especially for small projects or quick tests. We can do all this by writing CSS inside style tag in the head section, for example like this. So we're gonna remove this style now, then we're gonna add the style tag. So the style has to have opening and a closing tag, and we're gonna try and apply the same colors, but let's just change this one to green, say, and then view the page, and then it's linking CSS. So this method works for small page, but it's harder to manage for bigger projects, so it's not recommended. The first one is the one that's highly recommended. And then the last one is inline CSS. Inline CSS means adding styles directly to an element using the style attribute. So to show that, we're going to remove the already created styles again. So this one, we don't edit inside the head, we edit it inside the element using the style attribute. So for example, our h1, we can say style, and then we're going to say color, let's say blue, then we add a background color black and text align center in the same style attribute. Let's save and then go live. As you can see, our text has changed to so this method is fast, but it's not recommended for full website or big project because it makes your code messy and hard to manage later. You can use this only for testing or quick changes. Today we've learned 3 ways to link CSS to our HTML. The first one is external CSS, which is best for real and big projects. Internal CSS, which is quick and inside the same file, and inline CSS for single elements or quick updates. Now that you know exactly how to connect your CSS HTML page, in the next lesson we'll start styling our content by changing fonts, colors, and text sizes. If you find this video useful, like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.